Alright. Batteries inside of the space drone do not work because batteries can be removed from the space drone. And the batteries such as this, for example, this would be an example. Another battery itself is the hard drive. So you would say remove it, and you would just look at it on the ground or so. I don't have that problem on land, but if you're supposed, if you were ripped it out and someone rips your battery out physically, it would be a problem. Uh, Best part of that would be that you were not, it's going to break and you're not in there, so I don't see why that's a problem. But if you have all this equipment and you have the equipment available to keep it there, and then it can be troubleshooted because by tugging it away. So that's the problem that you're noticing. That logic of a space drone that is a mining barge breaks with the battery. Battery's